everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'm excited for today's video. I'm doing some decorating and some cleaning at the end of this video. So we are starting off with doing some decorating in my family room, and I am so excited to share that I have partnered up with this awesome brand called Goodpick, and I am so happy with the product, and that is what I'm sharing with you guys today. So Goodpick is a brand that is actually sold on Amazon, and they have so many adorable baskets. And this basket that I am decorating with right now, they sent to me. So I'm just showing you guys how you can decorate different ways with these baskets that they sent me. And this one specifically I have in my family room, but I'm going to show you different places you can put it throughout your house. And it totally goes with my style. It's like a farmhouse feel, like a cozy cottage farmhouse feel. And I'm showing you guys how you can decorate with different blankets. You can decorate with different pillows. You can use it as a laundry basket. You can use it in so many different ways. So I'm showing you guys here in my family room, I like to put blankets in it. And here I'm doing like different pillows as well, just trying to see how I want to style it. I do have a big UGG blanket that's on the inside of this basket, so that it gives it a little more of, like, it lifts the inside up a little bit so that when I put a pillow in, it doesn't sink to the bottom. This basket is very, very big. I feel like the video doesn't do it justice, but it is pretty big. It does take up quite a bit of space, which I love because it filled in this corner of my family room. So I'm so excited to share all of these baskets with you, and thank you again to Goodpick for sending me this product, and I'm so happy to be collaborating with them, and I am so obsessed with their baskets.
You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
Perfect for the nursery. So I am sharing with you all how I put the wipes and the diapers in this little basket, and I think it looks so cute. So you're getting a little sneak peek. I'm not going to share too much with you all because I want to have a whole separate video on the nursery, but I am so excited. This literally fits so perfectly on the dresser, and that's where the changing table is going to be up there as well. So I was really, really happy with how that turned out. So that's how I will be utilizing it. But I also wanted to share that you can actually put different toys in here for your children as well. You could put little books. If they have reading books, you could put that in there. There's so many different ways you can utilize this. You can even use this in your own bathroom. Maybe you have like feminine products or toilet paper or makeup. There are so many different ways you can use this basket, but for us, we are going to be using it in our nursery for the diapers and wipes.
We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down our path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
another way that you can use this basket is for your dog toys. So right now I have this wooden basket that is in the corner of my living room that has all of our dog toys, but I was thinking this would be such a great little basket for your dog toys like bones, balls, any ropes. So I wanted to share that with you all. I thought that looked so cute in the corner, especially if you have a smaller dog. Like, I feel like my dog's bones are so big, but if you have a small dog, this is even better, and they do have bigger sizes. Now that little basket is only $10.99, so I'm so obsessed with it, and their prices are phenomenal. So now I'm sharing with you all how you can make this basket into a laundry basket, and it looks like decor. So yes, you can put your dirty laundry in there, but if someone is coming over to your house, they would never know because it is so cute. It literally looks like decor in the corner of your room. It doesn't look like a dirty laundry basket. So I wanted to share that option with you guys. You could make this totally look cute and like decor. And then I was like, oh, maybe this would look cute next to my little reading nook. I have my little plant, my chair, my rug, and I need to add an ottoman, but I was like, oh, that would be so cute to put like pillows in there, blankets, like cozy blankets in there. So I was just playing around with this setup. I thought that looked super cute, so I may have to get a second one just so I can put it here. I just think that the color scheme goes so well with all of my decor, but they have so many options on their website. Like, they have boho type of style. They have ones for the nursery that's a little bit smaller. They have laundry ones that are even taller than this one. So they just have so many different options, and I'm just obsessed with it. I think you guys would absolutely love it. You can use it as decor, and it's also functional. Now we are getting into the cleaning portion of today's video. Definitely check out my description box. It has the link to those products that I shared with you from Goodpick, and they have so many more baskets. I will say definitely let the basket sit for a couple of days because it does come folded. So you can either iron it or I just filled it with some blankets and let it sit, and it got all of the creases out of the basket, and that's why it looks so perfect now. I let it sit for a couple days before I shared it with you guys, so definitely just keep that in mind. But check out my description box. You will see the links to these exact products, and they are so affordable, and they're just so cute, guys. I'm not kidding. I am so happy with these baskets, and I definitely will have them for a very, very, very long time. So check my description box for those exact links. And now we are over to my kitchen doing some cleaning. I was just cleaning down the countertops, just doing some deep cleaning before I ended my night.
I think I can see clear now. Maybe you're scared of getting hurt, but if you sit down and allow me to get close, we might work. Every time you've been calling saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free?
It's funny, I feel like baskets are something that I always look at when I'm going to Home Goods, Kirkland's, TJ Maxx, you name it. I feel like every time I go home decor shopping, I'm always looking at baskets, and the prices are so ridiculous unless there's like a major sale going on. Like one time at Kirkland's, there was like a major sale going on, and I got a basket for like $30, but that was unbelievable for Kirkland's, where I feel like I can never find a really good deal at any of these other stores. Maybe Hobby Lobby, because they do typically have like 50% off, but I can never find baskets for this inexpensive. Especially if you have Prime, you can just get free shipping with the Goodpick baskets, and I mean, you just can't beat $10, $13, $19, especially for a large basket for only $19. It's just really hard to beat, and with Amazon Prime, it comes right to your door. So as much as I love home decor shopping, as much as I love Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby and Home Goods, I love them to death, but I can never find baskets for an inexpensive price. I feel like they're just way too overpriced, unless, like I said, they're having a major sale going on, which is only once in a while. But that's why I really wanted to give you guys an affordable option for a basket, and I think Goodpick is definitely one of my top favorites for an inexpensive, good quality basket.
Our way, yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay, 'cause no one else can make me feel this way, yeah. I'm completely satisfied, right, as long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe.
Here I am filling up my soap container in my kitchen with my Mrs. Meyer's soap. So I actually received this when I purchased from Grove Collaborative recently. They sent me this free soap for the peony, which you all know, if you have been watching my YouTube channel, you all know that is my favorite scent. So I just filled up my glass container with the Mrs. Meyer's. I will say that having the glass containers and just buying a very large bottle of soap, I always buy mine from Home Goods for like, I think it's like $7, and it lasts so long, and I have a glass soap dispenser in every single one of my bathrooms, and I just fill them up as needed. But I think it just saves so much money, because when people go to Bath & Body Works or Walmart or wherever you buy your soap, you're buying the product and the soap inside. Like, you're buying the bottle itself and then just throwing it away, where here you're saving money on the bottle and it smells great. And I think it looks like decor as well. So it's kind of a win-win situation for me. I love it. I got all of them from Home Goods, and they were all on sale.
It's your fault. fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder.
Lastly, I was winding down for the night and just folding our laundry. There was a ton of laundry that needed to be folded, and I wanted to share with you guys what I do. So when I fold my laundry, I put everything into categories. So whether that is shorts, shirts, underwear, socks, sports bras, and then I also divide it by what I have to hang up versus what I'm folding. So that's how I do my laundry, is just by categories like that. For me, it's so much easier. I will say that I know a lot of people are going to criticize me for this, but I tend to not split up my whites and colors. I know that's like something important and I really should do it, but once in a while I do, but honestly, I really don't do it. So I don't divide it by colors or anything like that. I simply divide my clothes by categories. Like here I'm folding my husband's shorts. So I have a whole pile of shorts. I have a whole pile of his gym tank tops. I have a whole pile of my gym tank tops. So it's just easier because that's how I put away our clothes, is by categories. Like in our closet, when I hang up things, I put it all by short sleeve shirts, you know, like blazers, that kind of thing for work, and you know, that kind of thing. I find it so much easier when it's in categories.
Things turned around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world.
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you got some decor inspiration from the baskets that I decorated with. I hope that you do check out them on Amazon and check out some of their products. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. Say hello in the comment section so I can say hi back, and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and supports me. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!
I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.